Okay, here is a question from the AP chapter. If the mth term of an AP is 1 by n and nth term be 1 by m, then show that its m into n term is 1. This question they have asked in CBSE 2017. Solution. Here given data is, that is mth term am equals to 1 by n and nth term an equals to 1 by m. I can write am as a plus m minus 1 into d equals to 1 by n, and here I can write an as a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 1 by m. Let's say this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Subtract equation 1 and 2, that is a plus m minus 1 into d minus a minus n minus 1 into d equals to 1 by n minus 1 by m. Here you can observe plus a minus a get cancelled, then left is 2 into m dm, d into 1 d minus d into n dn minus d into 1 d equals to, here LCM is mn, and then I will do cross multiplication. 1 into m is m minus n into 1 is n. dm equals to minus d minus dn minus into minus plus d equals to m minus n divide mn. Minus d plus d cancel. The common is here in these two terms, common is d, that is m minus n equals to, here also m minus n divide mn. m minus n, m minus cancel, then left is d equals to 1 divide mn. Here we get d value, that is 1 by mn. Now put d in equation 1, that is a plus m minus 1 into d equals to 1 by n. a plus m minus 1, d is 1 by mn equals to 1 by n. a plus m into 1 by mn, m by mn minus 1 into 1 by n, 1 by mn equals to 1 by n. Cancel, the left is 1 plus 1 by n minus 1 divide mn equals to 1 by n. 1 by n, 1 by cancel, then a equals to minus 1 divide mn. Take this side, it becomes 1 divide mn. We got a value, here we got d value. They are asking to show that a mnth term, that is a plus mn, because here n is mn minus 1 into d. Here a value 1 divide mn plus mn minus 1, d value is 1 by mn. 1 by mn plus mn into 1 by mn, mn into 1 by mn minus 1 into 1 by mn, 1 divide mn. Here mn cancel, the leftover is 1 by mn minus 1 divide mn. Here we did cancel mn, the left is plus 1, so plus 1 plus 1 by mn minus 1 by n get cancelled, the leftover is 1. We show that mn, the term is 1, hence proved. Thank you.